This is a fun science project you can do at home. Try this experiment with ingredients that you can find in your house. You will need dish soap, milk, a shallow bowl or container, food coloring, and Q-tips. You can also use cookie cutters if you want. This is a favorite experiment you can switch up with a different theme for any time of the year. Christmas wouldn't be complete without cookies and milk for Santa. Let's just add a little more magic to the milk. Pour the milk into a cookie cutter, into a shallow bowl, and some on the outside of the cookie cutter as well. Add some festive drops of food coloring. Dip a cotton swab into the dish soap. Then touch the tip to the milk and watch the Christmas magic happen. Ooh, that even made a bubble with the soap. Keep trying different color areas until the magic runs out. It is really the chemistry between the milk and the soap that is making this magic happen. Soap's job is to break down grease and fat, while milk is mostly water. It has lots of fat globs in it. When the soap is added to the milk, some of it dissolves in the water, while some of the soap molecules run around searching for fat globs so it can do its job. The color helps you see this frantic movement. Keep adding a bit more soap until there is no more movement. That means all the fat globs have been found and attached to a soap molecule. Keep thinking like a scientist. What kind of milk did you use? Is there a difference if you use skim, 1%, 2%, whole milk? What if you use milk alternatives like almond milk? Thanks for checking out our STEM activities. We hope you and your family make plans to visit the Kansas Wetlands Education Center soon.